How to fix this application requires iOS 17 or later. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, we'll try to fix an error that occurs when you try to download anything from your app store. So whenever you try to download something but it gives you an error that goes along the line, this application requires iOS 17 or later. If that's the case, the reason can be that your iPhone's software is not updated. So that means that you'll actually need to update your software to make or to download that app. So you can head over to your settings on your mobile phone, and after you're on your settings, you can then locate general, and after you're on general, you'll find software update. Tap on software update and you can wait till it loads and you'll find a software available for update. So there you can see. Now all you have to do is install this software update, and after you do that, make sure that it's updated to the latest version. Doing that, your problem will get fixed and now you can download all of the latest apps. And yeah, that's basically it. Thanks for watching guys. Stay tuned for more upcoming tutorial videos and bye bye.